Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for all things metal roofing in North Carolina. I'm your host Audrey, and today we're in Hope Mills, North Carolina. We're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing, Miss Leek. How are you doing today?
Doing great. It's a wonderful afternoon. The sun is shining and the weather's just right. Still short weather.
Awesome. So Miss Leek, you have been living here in Hope Mills in this home, in your home, for 20 years.
That's correct.
And you had a shingle roof before.
I did.
You had some problems with it.
I did. We had hurricanes, Michael and Matthew, back in 2016 and 18, and we had a few shingles come off and a little bit of damage.
Right. So you got a few repairs to your shingle roof.
We did. Not enough to get our entire roof replaced, but we did have to make some minor repairs.
Right. Did you have any leaks during that time?
We did. There was a lot of flooding during that time, and we just noticed in the ceiling some different colorations in the ceiling.
How long ago was it that you knew that you needed a roof replacement?
We've been here 20 years. That's about the average lifespan of a shingle roof. And we just knew that it was time to be replaced, and we wanted something that was going to last us the rest of our lifetime, while we were not only in this home, but the rest of our lifetime.
Yes.
So we decided that we would seek a metal roof company.
Right. What made you want to go with Gator Metal Roofing? What made you pick up the phone and give us a call?
Actually, my wife does a lot of our research when we do big money projects. And she did find them on the internet. That was how we sought out your company. And the representative came, he spoke with us, was highly knowledgeable, and quite frankly, the price was right.
So when the person came out to give you your free estimate and he looked at your roof and gave you your quote, what were some of the benefits that stood out to you?
That it was going to last our lifetime. If there was any problems with the roof, that you guys would come back out and make it right.
Awesome. So with our lifetime warranty.
Correct.
Nice. So Miss Leek, you've had your Gator Metal roof for a few months now.
Correct.
Have you noticed any energy efficiency?
Yes, and that was one of the things that the representative said that we would notice, that we would see a decrease in our electric bill, and we've seen that in about $30, $40.
Wow, that's incredible.
It is.
And it's been a hot summer.
It has. We got ours put on in June, so that was the perfect time.
So you chose the color Glossy Black.
I did.
What made you choose that color?
Well, we already had the black shutters. We thought it would stand out amongst all the other roofs that were on our street, and quite frankly, it looks great.
It looks amazing.
Yeah.
Have your friends and family commented on your roof?
We have. My wife and I were walking one morning, and our neighbors 2 doors down, she says, "Hey, the girls, they got a new roof. You fix houses for a living. I'm gonna need you to get us a roof." So when you're done here, I don't know if you sell or not, but 2 doors down, they're looking for a roof.
Sounds good. And you know, we do have a referral program.
Correct.
So if they call us and get a roof and mention your name, we'll send you $200.
Oh, rest assured, we did that.
Awesome. So would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to your friends and family?
Absolutely. You guys have been top notch with your customer service. Your representatives have been very knowledgeable, and you all have exceeded our expectations.
Alrighty. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us.
Absolutely.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Ready for a stronger, more stylish roof? Get your free estimate from Gator Metal Roofing today.